Hey everybody, Charles here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to replace the engine air filter in a 2003 to 2009 Toyota Prius. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today I'll be changing the air filter in this 2007 Prius, and procedures will be similar for a lot of Prius models from 2003 to 2009, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Park on a level surface and open the hood. You'll find the air filter housing on the passenger side of the engine bay. The lid to the housing is secured by 4 clips. Disengage the clips and remove the lid. Lift the old filter out of the housing and clean out any leaves or debris from inside. Set your new filter in place, making sure the rubber seal is properly seated all the way around the edge of the housing. Put the lid back in place and refasten the clips. Close the hood. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.